Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Big, warm smile, I know. It's been a while. And I've missed you all. Life got a little busy, but I'm back. And I'm so excited to share this textured art process with you today. For this piece, I'm working with a beautiful, soft palette of browns, beige, whites, and a touch of pink. I wanted to create something calming and organic. Something that feels both modern and timeless. I'm using the edge of the knife to create these thicker, more pronounced strokes. Don't be afraid to experiment. There's no right or wrong way to do this. Just let the paint guide you. As you can see, the painting is really coming together now. I've added more petals, refined the textures, and balanced the colors. And here it is, the finished piece. I'm so happy with how it turned out. I love the soft, organic feel and the subtle textures. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I know it's been a while, but I'm planning on creating a lot more textured art content for you. Your support means the world to me. Let me know in the comments what colors you'd like to see me use next. And if you want to see more content like this, please subscribe. It really helps my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.